guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am playing the an obby. I kind of forgot what it's called. And sorry if I
escape the bowling alley.
Yeah, that's what it's called. And sorry if I was not posting a lot. Now I'm gonna try to post. Yeah, so let's see what am I supposed to do? We need to escape. We need to okay, yeah, maybe I should probably put the volume down. Ah!
Yeah.
Are you serious? What is it is lagging a lot. Okay, that's better. So what do you want me to do? Do you want me to like go over here or